come home from the mall, we went to HomeSense. The main reason for which I stopped by HomeSense was because I'm doing a baking stream and I wanted to get cute stuff for the stream. I didn't manage to find a lot of things, but I found these cute oven mitts. They look so cute. They're red with little hearts. My kitchen apron is red, so I thought it would match with this. And then I also found these 100% cotton kitchen towels. The print is so cute and it also matches the vibe. I also found these measuring cups. It's so cute. I found this blanket. I had to get it. I don't care. It's white with little bow details. I love this. And last but not least, you're not ready for this. Oh my god. Can you look at this? Can you believe this? Isn't this the cutest pillow you've ever seen? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I can't wait to style this on my bed. And it's so soft. Lastly, I did stop by Sephora and I got just a bunch of different things. I'm almost out of my brow setter, so I got another one from Benefit. This is the best. I've always wanted to try the Gisu or Jisoo, I don't know how to pronounce this. Their lip oil, so I got one in this color. My cousin was raving about this mascara from Fenty Beauty, hella thick in cause I'm black. So I got the mini size because it was on sale and I wanted to try it. So if I like it, I'll probably get the full size. And I'm always on the hunt for a good mascara because I don't do false lashes. I need me a good one. And then I got this from Makeup Forever. It's a moisturizing plumping effect lip gloss in the shade Daring Candy. I've been eyeing this for like a year now and it's finally on sale. It's the Urban Decay sparkly eyeshadow. I got it in Space Cowboy and I'm gonna try it. So that's everything that I got. Talk to you later. Bye.
يلزمنا
مش نحلوا مع بعضنا كل واحدة تحل.
شو نحل؟
اوكي يلا شكون شي يبدا؟ انا ديجا صورتو يعرفوا. لا لا شو هما فما 25 ولا 24 فما احنا 3 معناه كل واحدة فينا باش تحل 8 كعبات. So let's go. This is what she got. False lashes. Glue-free lashes. Okay. That was number 19. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna do number 3. Ah, it's cute. Juicy Berry Plumping Lip Oil from Tokobo in the shade Plum Jam. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Reed cleanser from Arencia. Okay. Okay. إذا شوية لهني. مش يراو في شيء. This is what we found. We have 4 different products. 4 full-size different products. The first one is this tier collagen lifting eye cream. Second one is this mild reroll shot. And then the third one is this black rice toner from Amfram. The fourth one is this collagen glow booster serum from Medicube. 22. Because it's cute. We got brightening skin prep essence pad. عاملة جو أمي. Number 2. This is what we found in slot number 2. Stone brightening capsule ampule. Light cleansing oil. Oh my god. Oh yeah. And then we have the Probiotica Bactrol Eye Cream. We have 2 full-size products. The first one is this black rice cleansing gel from Haru Haru Wonder. We have this daily moisture cream. Ooh. Blotting papers from Sukoshi. Oh, we have this Shine On Me nail polish. Okay. This is the cutest packaging ever. I like this color. So pretty. Glow tint from DRA as well. Oh, this packaging. Wow. This is in the shade Little Mauve. So pretty. Your Althea 345 Relief Cream. Okay. I have 2 travel size products. The first one is this pore smoothing Bactrol serum. Oh, this is the color combo is so cute. Pro Balance Pure Deep Cleansing Oil from 18 because it's cute. We have the Shy Dark Spot Care Pore Tightening. Oh, this is a blemish toning serum. Ooh, I like the packaging.
16.
Okay. Oh, what is that? That's a pouch. Wait, this is so pretty. I don't know what this is, but it looks so pretty. Wow.
Oh, this is a pouch keyring.
Oh, a pouch keyring. What is this? Bruh. Oh, this is from Sukoshi. Oh, that's cute. مش عليها شوكولا. So small. Oh, that's cute. I love ribbons. Snap. That is so cute. Sukoshi hair clips. I love the color. What? Well, 2 products. The Mary and May shea butter and rice. Oh, this is a hand cream. Okay. Oh, a sunscreen from Access Y. Oh, I feel like they're gonna be sheet masks.
I also think they're gonna be sheet masks.
Oh, we have 2 sheet masks. The first one is from S Nature Super Aqua Gel Oasis Ampule Mask. And then the other one is from April Skin Keratin, whatever. It's carrot root extract. Centella asiatica extract. Okay, wonderful. 2 sheet masks. Love that. Okay, number 4. Okay, we have the Soul 1988. Retinol. Just because it's a biscuit. It's cute. Oh my god, it's missing a leg. leg. This is the Anua Soothing Toner and the travel size.
14.
Let's go, number 14.
Number. Oh.
Oh, yep. Nice. Tier Waterism Glow Tint. So pretty. I think this is an eyeshadow. You are my fave. 6. This is a long-lasting water gel. Glitter? We needed more glitter. Oh, it's glitter. It's in your face glitter. Okay, I like it.
Number 7. Oh, this is a sample size.
This is the Noni Ampule Calming and Radiance. 20. Let's go. Mom's 20. Oh, a Vita Glow Lip Oil from Axis Y and Chilled Berry. Oh, that's cute. Number 8. Torridon Solid In Lip Essence. Oh my god, so many lip products. Last but not least, 11. Oh wow, that's cute. Is this a blush?
Yep.
This is the Can Make Blush in Cream Cheek. It's cute. I like this color. It's coral. The aftermath. The real actual aftermath.
Okay.
نحب التونر أنا.
Ongoing negotiations. Who's gonna take
أنا
what?
نحب التونر.
هذا؟ أمي أنت تحب كل شيء.
ليه خذي
تحب تاخذه
ما
بالكل.
عادش عندي وفيلي.
This is not the
مش
toner
هذا اللي
you're
عندك.
talking about.
لا،
This is a
هذا.
different toner.
بجد؟
Yes.
إيه ليه أنا عندي الأبيض يعني شو بي هذا روز.
هذا جديد. تونا.
It's basically for people with acne. Do you have acne? No.
No.
Do you have any blemishes that require...
سكاب لا ماشي.
Blemishes mean acne.
No.
Mean discoloration. حالتها كيكا.
أوظف وجهي وشوف.
You need vitamin C. مش whatever. Heart leaf, whatever. This is...
بيحطوا المبعد هذا. Okay, I'm taking these two. هذايا لونه غامق. What is this? Oh, لونه غامق هنا.
أنا مش بالي بيغني.
No, هذايا ما نعرف. هاو لونه.
جيماجين على لينا يجيها بالكدا. يجيك حلو لينا. تبغى يجيك حلو.
هذا الفوقاني راه. And then هذا, this is a lip oil.
It has that like new lip oil. Ooh,
That's massive.
This will look good on you actually.
أنت تستعمل ترانسبارون.
So, what's the verdict?
كل واحدة تاخذ واحد. لينا يخرج عليها هذا.
Okay, for scissors. I don't actually want this. Just take it.
Which one do you want?
I don't really care for either. You can take them both.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure? I don't think you're sure. You're lying.
Let me give you something, okay?
Okay. More for me.
Let me tell you about something my sister bought me, okay?
Oh, see, I got you that.
And why I'm not really that interested in anything really right now because my sister bought me the cherry pot that I wanted.
وريها اللون أمي مريتوش. أي أنت خرج عليك.
It's cherry red.
Okay, I'm taking these.
أنت ما استعملتوش هيك.
جديد مسكي شريته. It smells like cherries.
وقت اللي نحب نجرب. وقت اللي شفته في الواحد نحب نجرب.
Thank you very much. My sister bought me this.
Okay, next. What is this? We have
People say it's good. It's like collagen and noni plant.
Noni Energy Panthenol Collagen. Yeah, نسيت شنو يعني Panthenol. I remember.
It's barrier soothing, barrier protection, repair.
Okay, but what is this?
Moisturizing.
Ampoule. Oh.
Yeah, it's like a serum ampoule type thing.
C'est quoi ça?
يتحط في الوجه.
ايش عامل بيه؟
يكلم la peau.
وي.
خوذة. Moisture Soothing Care.
This one's good.
Dry and sensitive skin type. كريم هذا.
Yeah, this is a moisturizer. It's good.
ناخذ
Just Kouka just giving up.
هذايا
It's a face wash.
a face wash. Black rice. انتي جربتوا هذا؟ عجبك؟
لك هو
Yeah,
رايس.
she likes it. Yeah.
عجبني.
عندك منه؟
لا لا في الدار فاولي ما عادش عندي. فيولي كام
تفاضل مدى.
هذا متاع اختك راه مش متاعي، ما تحسبوش معايا.
باهي what is this? Pro Balance Cleansing Oil. هذايا ويل كلونزونت.
Weird clothes pink. I love how the random color, like, ended up being pink.
Oh, so that it's random?
Yeah.
Wow. I love this color.
You want it?
هذا؟ No.
ترونسبارون على الاخر.
حلو.
Oh, نجم نرى الوقت بيك. All I could see was like
شرح
mauve.
اوه
Oui, c'est très beau. رجع لي كله.
لا خليه جرب يعني كيفاش توا عمري ما حطيت هكا. لازم تجبد بوحده هاوك، لازم تجبد بوحده.
Oh my god, la couleur تقتل ما شوف.
ملي شفته قبيلك اللون وصل تو.
باش ناخذ منه I think.
ليس عجبني. ترى حطيت في عيني.
لا وصلني.
قلت عليه عندي ما حطيتهوش فوق عيني قد
حطيتهم في الشحمة.
قالك غير يوتيليزابل تجلس عن برشا مرات. اوه ريغارد كوكا.
حتى
لوك
محليهم وي. شيخة طمي شيخة.
والله اوه محلاهم الاولاد.
شو لينا؟
Ooh, cute. Yeah, I don't know how to use this.